Good morning. What a lovely Saturday. Oh, it has rained the whole night. I'm telling you, the morning is just cool and I love it. So today, this is Reviews by Auntie Monica. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing. For our new viewers or the new people or the new guys, welcome to our channel. We do reviews about cooking gadgets and home essentials in general. So you can watch the previous videos. If you have a question, just post it on the comment section. We will be of assistance to you. So today we are going to talk about the rice cooker. So this rice cooker is from Von. It's a 4 kg rice cooker. I think maximum it can like accommodate 4 kgs, but so far I've done with it 2 kgs. I actually made rice with it even yesterday. There. Let me tell you, this thing is efficient. The gas prices, the petroleum prices, the gas prices are so expensive, but believe me, this one is a saver. So this one is from Von. It's a brand here in Kenya, and I bought this for 2,700. It was on offer. Hotpoint, I think every end of the month they have an offer. So I bought it from Garden City. They had a yard sale, so I bought it from there. And it's very easy to use. So once you just plug it on the power, you just switch it on, so once you switch it on, the first thing it does, it lights at the warm button. It has only two control panels for cooking. So once it goes on, it comes to the warm power, so you just switch it back to cook automatically. Then it will start cooking. Once it has cooked, it will just like switch up to warm automatically. So what does this rice cooker entail? So it comes with the lid, it comes with the strainer, it comes with the rice cooking the electric cooking pot, and now the cooking pot holder that now conducts heat to the non-stick cooking pot. They also come with a serving spoon, which is friendly, which is scratch free to the cooking pot, because this one is how is it called? It's a coated one, so you don't use metals on it. So when you're cooking, you can do double cook. You can cook, you can be cooking your rice, but on top here you have put maybe your veggies, your shrimp, your prawns, your abalones, whatever that you are steaming. You can use it when you're cooking. So another thing I loved about it is that I don't have to boil water. Man, that's a saver. Tick, ding. So I don't have to boil water. I just put my rice, I put my little oil, I put salt, then I put water, the right amount, then I covered it up and I allow it to cook. Once it's done, it will switch up to warm. So there's something I want to teach you. When you're doing coconut rice, don't put the coconut milk immediately. I found it that it boils so much that it does not go to the rice. It instead comes up to the cooking pot. So I learned a trick. What I do, I allowed my rice to cook. Once my rice when it's almost, the water is almost finished, I come put my coconut milk, stir. Let me tell you, this one you can stir and it will not refuse to cook. Unlike in the normal process cooking with the sufuria or cooking pot. I know by now most of my viewers, the ones that are international viewers, they know the word sufuria means cooking pot. So when you're using sufuria, you can always, if you stir, that rice will become like an ugali. It will clog together. Yes, it will clog. So it will not be one particle like you want. But with this one, when you stir at the right time, it does not clog. So what I did, I just gave it some time. Once the water was almost through, I came and put my coconut milk round. Then I took this, the cooking, the plastic scoop, and I scooped and I mixed up. Then I allowed it to cook. So it was like 2 minutes and the button switched back to warm. When it switched to warm, it means the rice is ready and the water is finished. So I did not switch it off immediately. I gave it like an allowance of 5 to 7 minutes. Then from there, it was ready. Now I switched it off. The whole rice was tasting well. It had the coconut element in it. So that's the secret. But when you want to put cinnamon in it or cardamom, for those who put cardamom, you can just do it from stage 1. Another thing is that it does not consume a lot of electricity. It's very electric efficient. And especially now that everything is hiked in terms of prices, this one is very efficient. Another thing is that you don't have to worry, it cannot burn your rice, so nor can your rice overcook. Once you have put the correct amount of water, you can continue doing your stuff. You can continue washing the dishes, you can be cooking your stew. Last week I taught you about the multi-cooker, so you can be cooking your stew on the multi-cooker and while your rice is cooking here, so you can continue doing what you're doing. It's automatic, so once it's done, you just switch it up. And maybe if you are far and you don't want the rice to be cold, it will switch up itself to the warm. The element will go to warm, and it will keep your rice warm. That's a very good thing. And another thing, it's not complicated. This is very easy to use. Anyone can just use it. It's very easy to use, and it's very efficient, like I've said. So especially for the, let me say, not very huge families. We have very huge families, especially here in Africa. But this one works well for small families. Most of my kitchen gadgets are for small families, but you can get big ones. So you buy according to the size of your family. So I chose this because this is the size of my family. So it works well with small families. If you want a big one, there is a bigger one. You can always go for it. But for me, currently, I'm using this size. It fits my family well. So another thing I can say, what I loved about it is this steaming strainer. I really loved it because at times I just want to steam my boiled eggs. Maybe I'm making the rice with boiled eggs, for those who know that style, and I want the rice with boiled eggs and shrimp. So I just steam it up there. Then from there, I just do little frying at the egg curry. I just do my egg curry. This one is a saver, I'm telling you. And also you can make macaroni with it, but not for the macaroni. You have to be a very good timer. You make sure when the macaroni is cooked, the water, it does not suck the water, because now the macaroni will clog itself together. So you just take your time. You continuously watch it, then you release. For me, it takes 5 to 10 minutes. Yeah, if I can say 5 to 10 minutes. So that's my cat. It always likes it always does videos with me. You know, it's talking, it's mewing. So yes, so another thing I can say is that it's available in our stores from the Hot Point outlets. I bought it from a Hot Point outlet, though it was a yard sale, but it was at the Hot Point outlet. And normal price, it goes for 56 to 5700. So I saved a cool 3000. So in dollars, that is $57. So yeah, another thing that I can say, overall, it's cost efficient, it's energy efficient. So you need this gadget in your home. There are other brands. There's Deca Home and Black Deca. There's another company I saw. I'm really trying. It has home and something. I don't know if it's home appliances. I don't remember their name quite well, but also I heard their reviews are very, very good. Black & Decker, their reviews are good. Kenwood, their reviews are good. So you can buy the brands you want. I'm not sure about Philips. I guess they do have. I'm not very sure, but you can also try. So thank you very much for watching. I hope I've helped you. I hope I've saved that little coin that you want to save. And I hope now you have seen that you need this kitchen gadget. It's no longer luxury, but it's a necessity. See you next time on my channel. Thank you so much for tuning. Have a blessed weekend.